Welcome to Tasmania. I did a big loop around Tasmania. I will split it in 3 parts, the northeast, the south and the northwest. So let's get started with the south.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
From Colesberg, go further down south near Port Arthur, and the first stop is the Tasman's Arch. Next stop, Cabrio. It's a longer hike, like 4 hours with return.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
A short 5 hours hike to Cape Raoul. I'm so stoked, so let's check it out. After 2 spectacular hikes here in Port Arthur, the Cape Hoy and Cape Raoul, it's time to visit the city. 1 hour drive to Habe. Little add-on to Harvard. I already finished my loop. I went through Harvard, went up the west coast and now I'm back down to Harvard because today is the 31st of December and I want to see the firework here in Harvard. The firework is happening here on the King's Pier. I was planning to go on the Mount Wellington, but it's super fun. When I was asking people in the city, yeah, where's like nice spots to see the firework, and they all recommended like straight on the King's Pier or on the Rosny Hill. And I think the Rosny Hill is. One of the most recognizable spots here, the Neck. It's the bridge that connects the north and the south part of Bruny.
If all the
not alone here. I travel with two legends, Sophie and Pat. Next spot on the list, Letter K, a short letter hike, 2 hours, 5.4 kilometers. Okay, Bruny Lighthouse. I'm on the way to Welt lookout. It's a 1.5 hours drive from the waterfalls and 40 kilometers of them are unsealed road. Good morning, it is 5 a.m. and I'm at Gordon Dam. I was trying to get a nice sunrise here, but it was super cloudy, so unlucky. Ready for some fun facts about the Gordon Dam? The lake, 13.8 kilometers. The dam, 140 meters. On the bottom, the thickest point, 17.7. On top, 1.7 meters. So it's the biggest arch dam in Australia, and it got built 1972 to 1974.